This is a Windows 11 IoT Enterprise LTSC Windows machine. So I can show you. If we click the search and then if we go to system information, then over there OS name is Microsoft Windows 11 and this is LTSC evolution version. So let's see how we can download and install Visual Studio Code in this computer, and let's see whether it is working properly or not. So I'm going to close this thing and then I'm going to open google.com. Once I am in the google.com, then I'm going to search by typing the keyword VSCode and hit return key of my keyboard. Here I see Visual Studio Code is there. Just click over there and it will go to the Visual Studio page. Now from here we have to download this, but we have to download from this button. I'm going to click here, download for Windows, and very shortly it will start downloading. And I see it is downloading. It is almost 111, like 100 megabyte of size. Once it is downloaded successfully, then we'll try to install it in this Windows version. So I'm going to minimize this thing and it will be minimized. Now I'm going to open the Finder, and inside the downloads folder, I see this is the Visual Studio Code setup file, which is 1.106 latest version. I just downloaded it. Now to start the installation, I'm going to double click over there, and very shortly it will bring this type of screen where we will find the installation step-by-step thing. And here I see license agreement at the beginning. I'm going to minimize this thing. We don't need it anymore, so that we can focus only the installation window. And here I have to check I accept the agreement, and then we have to press the next button. Once we press the next button, it is asking where it will be installed. This is a default location where it is pointing. If you want to change, you can click here, you can change the location. And here it is asking like 435 megabyte of free space is required to complete this installation. And then I'm going to press the next button, and very shortly it is showing select start menu folder Visual Studio Code. That is fine, we don't need to touch anything. We can press the next button. I'm going to click here. Very shortly it will be open like this. Here it has couple of options. Create a desktop icon, I don't want, I hate it. Then add open it code, this type of thing is there. I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to click next to complete the installation, and very shortly it is asking ready to start installation. Yes, this is a summary where it will be installed and what will be the start menu folder and additional task. And then I'm going to press the install button. Very shortly it will start installation. At first it will try to prepare everything, and then very shortly it will bring a progress bar. Once the progress bar is complete, then that means the installation is finished. We have to wait till it finished. When the installation is finished, you will get this type of confirmation message, completing the Visual Studio Code setup wizard. Here there is a checkbox, I'm going to uncheck, and here is the message, click finish to exit setup. That means it's done. I'm going to click finish, it will be closed. Now here on the start menu, if we click here, we'll see Visual Studio Code is there, or we can search here by typing. If we click here, it will start opening Visual Studio Code. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will be opened. At first it will take some time for the first time to load. Later it will be very fast. And here I see it is already opened. And that's it. In this way we can easily install Visual Studio Code on a Windows 11 LTSC version of operating system.